Hi, I am Emilia. Today, I would like to invite all of you to take a closer look at an exciting project, Nada 4 Adena, modern, exclusive and premium AI home. First one already complete with CCC, total of 34 exclusive units, ready to collect keys and move in. And as you can see, the exterior design of 22x95 is more to Europe concept. Look luxury and premium, right? This house size is 22x95, built-up area from 2,884 square feet until 3,720 square feet. Has 5 bedroom, 5 bathroom and 1 utility room, come together with 12 feet private garden. This house designed with AI home, already installed smart home technology for your convenience. This is smart digital doorbell. You can intercom and monitor your visitor through your smartphone. This car porch area is 36 feet, can park up to 4 cars. Fully covered car porch and also already provide premium matte tiles. The wall is 6 feet high, give your family more privacy. And here you can see there is 2 doors, right? Later I will show you why there are 2 doors. This is main door area, spacious, right? You can put your shoe rack here. And the best part is CCTV, EV point car charger already installed for your convenience. The door is very large. You can move in your furniture easily without any hassle. And smart digital door lock already installed for your convenience. There are 6 ways to unlock this door. This house has 1 bedroom downstairs attached with bathroom, and also even you buy an intermediate unit, you don't need to worry about the lighting because this house provides an air well. It's good for your ventilation and natural light. This is living hall, spacious, right? Perfect for your big family. And the best part is, when you enter your home, immediately you can see your 12 feet private garden. Beautiful, right? This living hall also already installed smart lighting switch. You can turn off your light using your smartphone and also using this smart switch. Plus, smart curtain already installed for your convenience. Earlier, you saw the 2 door, right? The second door leads you to the kitchen, making it more super convenient and practical. Let's say, after you've done your shopping, you'll bring your grocery straight away to the kitchen without going to the living hall. And if you need to take out your trash, you don't need to go to living hall. You can directly from kitchen straight away to the front door. Practical, right? This is your wet kitchen, tiles up to ceiling height, and here is your dry kitchen. Here your 12 feet private garden. You can have your BBQ and family activity here. Laminated timber flooring is provided from the stairs to the upper floor of this house. This is your family area where you can relax and watch television here while facing the balcony. Upstairs has 4 bedrooms attached with the bathroom. Every bedroom has their own window for natural lighting and is perfect for customizing your choice of furniture and layout. This is your master bedroom, spacious, right? Can fit king size bed here, and the best part is you have your own private balcony. You can enjoy the night view here. Nice, right? And this is your master bathroom, already installed dual sink, shower screen, bathtub, and fully tiles up to ceiling height. Premium, right? Here we at Sands Park, park within Nada 4. Only short walk from your home to this park. You can do many activities here with your family. If you want to visit the show unit, you can contact me, Amy, make an appointment and visit show unit now. Bye!